Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about what is data engineering. Have you ever wondered how companies like Netflix, Amazon, or even your bank make lightning fast data decisions, recommending what you will watch next or detecting fraud in seconds? That's not a magic. That's data engineering at work. In this video, let's uncover the hidden engine behind every modern data-driven businesses and why it is one of the hottest tech careers in 2025. The data explosion. Think about it, every second the world generates an unimaginable amount of data. Every tap on an app, every sensor in a factory, even every like on a social media. All of it adds up to what I call a data tsunami. But here is the thing, raw data by itself, it's messy, it's unstructured, and honestly, it's useless. That's where data engineers comes in, the people who don't turn the chaos into the clarity. Coming into the transformation journey. So how does that transformation happens? First, we collect massive raw data from multiple sources, then we transform it, cleaning and organizing it into something meaningful. And finally, we activate it so that business leaders, analysts, and AI models can make sense of it instantly. In short, data engineers build the foundation, turns raw numbers into real business value. What exactly is data engineering? Define it simple. Data engineering is the backbone of every driven organization. Data engineers design and build pipelines. Those are like digital highways that carry clean, reliable data across systems. They manage storage from data warehouses to lakes that can hold petabytes of information, and they enable analytics and AI because without clean structured data even the best machine learning model is useless. Why business can't survive without it? Now imagine a company making millions of transactions per day. How do they make real time decisions? Through reliable, scalable, and automated data infrastructure. Data engineering makes real time intelligence possible, whether it's a stock alert, a fraud detection system, or a marketing campaign. It's also the foundation for AI and automation because if your pipeline is broken, your AI is blind. Yeah, a real example. Take global payments. They process over 50 billion transactions every year. By investing in data engineering, they turn that raw data into strategic insights. And that transformation helped them climb into the Fortune 500. That's the power of good data infrastructure. Coming to the competitive edge, companies that master data engineering don't just manage data, they dominate with it. They get deeper insights into customers, build better products, and optimize every operation at scale. Imagine your analytics team working 3x faster and making 90% fewer data errors. That's what strong data pipeline makes possible. And for tech professional, data engineering has become the number one career in demand right now. The tech stack behind it. So, what powers all the magic? We have cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, the backbone for modern data storage. Then, big data framework like Apache Spark and Hadoop. They are the engines that process massive data sets in seconds. And on top of that, real-time ETL automation tools that ensures continuous data flow and quality. Together, these tools create a resilient data ecosystem that fuels analytics and AI. The data engineer is not optical anymore. It's foundation of tomorrow's business. If you invest it in today, whether you are a company or a learner, you are setting up yourself to lead tomorrow. Because in a data driven world, data engineering is not just infrastructure, it's your competitive advantage. So, if you are excited to explore this field, make sure to subscribe because in my next videos, we will actually start building a real world data engineering project step by step. Thank you.